Hello guys, my name is Anil and today you will learn 49 phrases to use instead of saying no. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe this channel and click the bell icon so you may keep knowing more about us and our videos. So, without further ado, let's start this video. Certainly not. Certainly not. By no means. By no means. Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. Sorry, not now. Sorry, not now. I'm slammed, not possible. I'm slammed, not possible. I have something else. I have something else. I don't think I want to. I don't think I want to. Thanks, but no. Thanks, but no. Thanks, not this time. Thanks, not this time. I think I'll pass. I think I'll pass. Not today, thanks. Not today, thanks. I wish I could. I wish I could. I shall not. I shall not. Not likely. Not likely. No thanks. No thanks. I'm taking something else. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. If only I could. If only I could. If only it worked. If only it worked. Nope, no way. Nope, no way. Not for me, thanks. Not for me, thanks. It's not my thing. It's not my thing. I'll need to bow out. I'll need to bow out. I'm afraid I can't. I'm afraid I can't. Rats would have loved to. Rats would have loved to. Not now, but another time. I'm honored, but I can't. I'm honored, but I can't. I wish I were able to. I wish I were able to. Damn, not able to fit it in. I won't be able to help. I won't be able to help. I would love to, but I can't. I would love to, but I can't. I would rather not, thanks. I would rather not, thanks. Sadly, I have something else. Sadly, I have something else. Sounds great, but I can't comment. Sounds great, but I can't comment. No, thank you, but it sounds lovely. No, thank you, but it sounds lovely. I wish I could make it work. I wish I could make it work. I wish there were two of me. I wish there were two of me. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't. No thanks, I have another commitment. No thanks, I have another commitment. I appreciate your time, but no thank you. I appreciate your time, but no thank you. I'm not really into it, but thanks for asking. I'm not really into it, but thanks for asking. I'm not taking on anything else right now. I'm not taking on anything else right now. Apologies, but I can't make it. Apologies, but I can't make it. I'm not able to make this time. I'm not able to make this time. Unfortunately, it's not good time. Unfortunately, it's not good time. No thanks, I won't be able to make it. No thanks, I won't be able to make it. So guys, I hope you loved this video. Please like this video, share this video with your other friends, comment and let us know if you have still any confusion about this video, and subscribe our channel and please click the bell icon so you may keep knowing about us and our videos. So till the next video, take care, bye bye.